What I'm also going to be showing people on the tape here is the broader market. These are restaurant stocks that are extremely overbought. Panera Bread and Buffalo Wild Wings. Here, you want to see Buffalo Wild Wings being overbought at $51 a share, down almost $11 a share in after hours on the earnings report. Then what that means is that all of the market, and these, along with retail, they're overbought, going down. The mid-cap 400 right here, the MID.X, which is your mid-cap companies, you can see here, all overbought. All overbought. And why market tab corrections? Let me show you the chart. It's called the MID.X. Here, let me find it, symbol for you. It's more down here toward the bottom because the list is still populating. Here it is, MID.X, and it's the mid-cap 400. Mid-cap 400, overbought, has to come down. Everything is overbought. Market reversals. Here's the peak. 95% overbought on a weekly. This day here, it dropped it down to 91%. Overbought. Corrections are needed. Overbought. This is why we told people that we were shorting the markets. This is why we're updating you. It's not too late to sell and get out. We told people to be selling into the move last week. But did you? Who knows? If you didn't, well, too bad. We feel sorry for you, that's for sure. Now, we've covered a lot of things. We're going to take a look at the airline sector. Overbought. Overbought. And gasoline and everything's going higher. Let's show you the XAL.X overbought. Last week, 2 weeks ago, we put in a top. We've already started the turn here. We got overbought. We were like 92 up here. We started to gradually work this overbought level off, but still overbought. Starting to fall the 10-week moving average. Shorting the airlines up at the top. Buying some put options. Gas, oil, everything goes higher. Nonetheless, overbought. Let's take a look at a couple of other things that people are not aware of. And let's go in and take a look at some of the mid-cap, the small-cap 600's very important index. SMLX.X. Let's take a look at it. You see it? S&P small-cap 600. Weekly reversal. How overbought? How overbought? 95% overbought on that bar. You can't go higher. That's why you couldn't take out the top, because you couldn't. This is the beginning of the weekly reversal. Overbought. MACD, overbought. Percent DS, RSI, whatever you want to call it, about to cross over. Overbought. Not nearly as overbought as last week. Still we're shorting. None of them have got support. This is where they walked that up, and we got too overbought. Once again, small cap 600. Take a look at the haircut. All red. That's called distribution in the market. Distribution in small cap. Just like I've showed on other ones. Take a look at the overbought fertilizer. Just take a look at the overbought markets. All red. All of these ag stocks, all overbought. Index is overbought. Everything about it's overbought. I can only tell you it's overbought. Dow Jones components. Let's take a look at the REIT that were overbought. The Dow Jones REIT, it's not showing up for some reason, but let's, well, there you go. DJR.X, all overbought, all distribution, all overbought. Market corrections, how markets correct, all overbought. All has to come down. All good for shorting. All good. They fall, you make money. They go up, you make money. Short them down. All overbought. I'm going to show you another one that's very important in the NASDAQ component. NASDAQ banking. This is NASDAQ banking starting to correct in the NASDAQ. It's called the NASDAQ banking index. All overbought. Weekly charts are overbought as well. NASDAQ 100 financials. Let's show you that. All overbought. All overbought. All overbought. Good for shorting. Insurance. NASDAQ insurance. All overbought. All overbought. All red. All going down. Because there was so much exuberance that you can only get so overbought, and it's great for shorting stocks. Great time to buy bear funds, because bear funds are so oversold that people forgot what a bear fund was. Well, hey, that's where the trade is. That is exactly where the trade is. Dow 10, top 10 stocks, which is a MUT.X. It's not populating the data. We'll come back to it later. Dow Jones Internet. Here's the Dow Jones Internet. Dow Jones Internet comments, all red, all overbought. Every one of these stocks are overbought on a weekly. Ran too far, ran too fast. Google was the first one to correct. Goldman corrected. The broader market in May and June is going to have its correction, and we're going to come over this overbought level.